Guys, if you've been watching these animations, you've probably noticed how viral this 3D cartoon style has become. One of the best examples is the YouTube channel Crazy and the Lemming. With only around 500 videos, they've grown to 12.7 million subscribers. And many of their shorts have reached 30, 40, and even 39 million views. They also upload long-form videos that get millions of views, proving this niche has massive potential across YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. To make things easy, I've already prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. It includes everything you need: story structure, consistent character prompts, cinematic image prompts, video prompts, voiceover, sound effects, background music, editing notes, and much more. Simply copy the prompt from the link in the description, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Generate. Then type, "Please give me 10 image prompts with a consistent character, along with 10 video prompts with voiceover." Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate all 10 scenes, complete with professional image prompts, cinematic video prompts, and perfectly matched voiceover, ready for the next step. Now it's time to generate the images and videos using one of the most powerful AI tools available today, Korpi AI. You'll find the link in the description below. After opening Korpi AI, simply sign in to your account and you'll arrive at its feature-packed dashboard. Here you'll find viral shorts, community, kits, video tools, image tools, story generator, marketing tools, skeleton AI, and many other powerful features designed for creators. To begin, click on Image Tools, then select Image Generation. Once the generation interface opens, now let's generate our consistent character. Inside Korpi AI, you'll find a character option. Simply click on it, then select Create One. After that, click Generate your first character. Here you'll see several creation modes, such as Shorts, Hero, Drama, and more. For this tutorial, select Freedom Mode, because we're creating our own custom character from scratch. Next, choose the Nano Banana Free model, since it's completely free and works great for generating consistent characters. Then, go back to ChatGPT, copy the character consistency prompt that we generated earlier, and paste it into the prompt box. If you already have a reference image for your character, you can upload it here as well. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate Variation. Within a few moments, Korpi AI will generate multiple versions of your character. As you can see, the character variations are now ready. In my case, some of the generated characters look quite similar to existing characters from another channel, so I won't use those. Instead, I'll select the first character, which looks unique and perfectly matches the style I'm looking for. Simply click Use this character, and it will be saved to your account for future generations. Now it's time to generate our story images. Go to the Image Generation section inside Korpi AI. First, upload the character you just saved so the AI can maintain perfect consistency throughout the entire story. Choose the AI model. Since we want to maintain a perfectly consistent character throughout all 10 scenes, select Nano Banana Pro. And it's free, not need credits, to ChatGPT. This model is specifically designed to generate highly consistent characters across multiple images. Next, return to ChatGPT. Copy the character consistency prompt along with the Scene 1 image prompt. Then paste both prompts into Korpi AI. Set your image aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, and then click Generate. Within a few moments, your first cinematic image will be ready. As you can see, the quality is absolutely stunning, and the hamster character remains perfectly consistent without requiring any reference images. That's one of the biggest advantages of Nano Banana Pro. It automatically analyzes the prompt and preserves the character's appearance throughout every scene. Now simply repeat the exact same process for the remaining scenes. Copy the character consistency prompt again. Then copy Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and continue all the way through Scene 10. Paste each prompt into Korpi AI using the same Nano Banana Pro model and generate each image one by one. There's no need to upload reference images because Nano Banana Pro intelligently maintains the same character design across the entire story. As you continue generating, you'll notice that every image preserves the same facial features, body proportions, fur color, and animation quality, while perfectly matching the different scenes of your story. Once all 10 images have been generated, it's time for the final step, video generation. Your images have been generated. Simply go to the Video Generation Studio inside Korpi AI by clicking the Video section at the top. This will open the Video Generation dashboard, where you can create cinematic animations from your images. In the Models section, select Seedance 1.5 Pro, as this is the model we'll be using throughout this tutorial. Next, upload your first generated image as the first frame. Set the resolution to 720p. Choose the 9:16 aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, and set the duration to 8 seconds. Although you can create videos up to 12 seconds long, I personally prefer using 8 seconds for faster pacing. Make sure the voiceover option is enabled before moving to the next step. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 1 video prompt, and paste it into the prompt box inside Korpi AI. Once everything is set, simply click Generate. Your first video will begin rendering immediately. If you want to speed up your workflow, Korpi AI also allows you to generate multiple videos at the same time, so you can process several scenes simultaneously instead of waiting for each one individually. And here is the result of our first animation. As you can see, the video looks absolutely stunning. The voiceover has been added automatically. The character animation is smooth, and the overall quality produced by Seedance 1.5 Pro is incredibly cinematic. The lighting, camera movement, facial expressions, and motion all come together to create a professional-looking 3D animation that's perfect for viral short-form content. Upload your second image as the first frame, return to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 2 video prompt, paste it into Korpi AI, keep all the settings the same, and click Generate. Within a few moments, your second animation will be ready. Let's preview the result. As you can see, the character remains perfectly consistent, the voice matches naturally, and the animation quality is just as impressive as the first scene. Repeat this same workflow for every remaining scene. Upload the next image, copy the matching video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Korpi AI, and click Generate. You can either create your videos one by one or use the platform's batch generation feature to generate multiple videos at once. By following this process for all your scenes, you'll quickly build a complete animated story with smooth transitions, consistent characters, cinematic visuals, and high-quality voiceover. The final results speak for themselves. Seedance 1.5 Pro delivers beautiful animations with fluid motion, expressive character performance, and excellent visual quality. Combined with consistent AI-generated images and professionally crafted prompts from ChatGPT, it provides a fast and efficient workflow for creating viral 3D animated videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels. Even better, Nano Banana AI image generator is available completely free, allowing you to generate unlimited consistent character images without any extra cost. If you're interested in upgrading, Korpi AI offers 4 different plans: Hobby, Clipper, Pro, and Ultimate, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to generate consistent AI images, turn them into cinematic animated videos, and create viral content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.